Hi everyone, I'm Franziska Hoffman, a biologist and working as a scientist in the field of innovative biophotonics at the University Hospital in Jena. My team and I are really very happy to be part of the CHARM consortium. Within this project, we have the role of the clinical partner. That means that we are responsible for all things that have something to do with the future clinical use of the microscope. What we are doing is that we provide actual samples from patients with head and neck cancer undergoing a surgery in our hospital. We also test and evaluate the performance and the usability of the microscope. And a really essential task for us is to continuously consult with other partners within the CHARM project. So we're always bringing in the physician's point of view into the development of the microscope. Or let's say in other words, we make somehow sure that the technology and all the workflows created under the CHARM project are designed in a way to fit into the real lives of pathologists and clinicians. We are highly excited to use the new CRS microscope to study cancer biology because this microscope will allow us to investigate tumor tissue at a deep molecular level very quickly and with an impressive performance. So far, we have been limited to marker-based imaging techniques, which require time-consuming preparations to be scheduled in advance. Some of these techniques take days to obtain one single image with the distribution of just one single molecule. But with the CHARM approach, we can detect a huge number of molecules in a matter of just minutes. And this information will give us completely new insights into the biology of cancer development, and this will unravel new mechanisms which are undiscovered so far. For example, how healthy cells become cancer cells, or why the immune system of the patients doesn't fight against the cancer. The CHARM project allows me to be directly involved in the development and in the creating of a new product that other scientists and clinicians will use. And seeing that things of such a magnitude can be developed from a purely experimental environment like we usually have in our daily lab routine is something really special and exciting for scientists.